guys, it's Miss Greg here. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial about EdPuzzle. It's a website we're going to start using more, especially since we're not meeting face-to-face anymore. So basically what EdPuzzle is, it's YouTube that allows me to assign some questions that go along with the video. All right, so what we're going to notice about EdPuzzle, once you click on the link in Google Classroom, it'll take you to a page like this. Not exactly the same because this is the teacher view, but it'll be very similar. You'll notice on the side there's a to-do list. These are the number of questions you have. They're the type of questions, so are they open-ended? Is it some kind of activity? Or is it a multiple choice question? How many questions you have? This video has 4, but depending on the video, it could have more or less questions. Along with when those questions are located in your video. So for example, our first question is located 35 seconds into the video. So the next thing we're going to notice is our video in the middle. What you're going to do is you're going to click the play button. Let me turn our sound down real quick. And you're going to let that video play. You want to make sure you're watching the full segment because either I'm going to ask a question that is in that segment, or they're going to pose something to us that I want us to think a little bit more deeply about. So let's skip to our first question just so you guys can see what it's like. So the video will pause when the question comes up. And you'll notice our first question says, why is this life or death for Mayella? Why is this life or death for Tom? So you're going to answer that question in the box. You won't have the option to skip the question on your end. I really do want to give you guys, I really want to see you guys give your best effort because I know you know this stuff and I know how hard you guys have been working throughout this past year even to become such good readers and such good thinkers. So you'll answer the question. If you need to rewatch it, that's okay. There's an option to rewatch and there's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes you just need a little extra time to think, and that's perfectly okay. So once we answer our question, we can submit, and it'll continue on the video until our next question. All right, so that's how we work at EdPuzzle. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out to me. Remember, you can always email me. You can always leave a comment on Google Classroom, or you can call or text too as well. I'll get back to you, as soon as I possibly can. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.